Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Good Riddance on the guitar. This easy guide will help you master one of Green Day's most iconic acoustic songs. We'll start by learning the 4 essential chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are fundamental for the entire piece. Focus on smooth transitions between them, as this is key to a great sound. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into the verse strumming pattern. It's a simple down, up motion. Practice this rhythm slowly until it feels natural. The chord progression for the verse is G, C, D, and then E minor. Repeat this sequence 4 times for each verse. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed and your chord changes clean. Consistency is crucial here. Moving on to the chorus, the chords are G, C, D, and G again. This progression repeats 2 times. For the bridge, we introduce a slightly different sequence: C, G, then D, and finally G. This section provides a nice contrast. Listen closely to the song to catch the subtle dynamic changes between these parts. You're doing great. To truly master Good Riddance, consistent practice is key. Begin by playing each section at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you feel more comfortable. A metronome can be your best friend for developing precise timing and a steady rhythm. Once you're confident with individual parts, try playing the entire song through. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.